Welcome back to another office tour series. Today we are at Shenton Way. I'm heading to SingSaver office, so let's check it out and see what they have to offer. I'm here for the event anyway, so yeah, there'll be some food. Maybe you'll see other creators around. Yeah, so let's go to the event right now. Alright, so just reach SingSaver office. This is their event. Let's check it out. It's SingSaver Creatory event. Okay. Hello.
Hello. Question.
Yeah, I am.
I just want to say
Alright.
But I just wanted to orientate you a bit. So obviously, like you can see, there's a bar, there's food over there. There's also like a 360 like photo booth kind of thing. Yeah. From there, I think the program is gonna start in maybe like 15-20 minutes. So we're just waiting for the rest of the speakers. Okay. He said there's a few things. So there's a sake opening. It's like spin the wheel. There's a fake drop over there as well. So I think we're gonna kind of put you through some of the events. You can win some prizes. So that's fun. Yeah. And then they'll probably tell you a bit more. SingSaver or Arts Matters. We do this every year in March.
This is your event space?
This is our office. It's our yeah. So this is the pantry area. So sometimes you turn it to event space like this, or the desks are at the other side. Okay. So yeah.
Okay, I'll just have a look. Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, there's a lot of people here I probably don't know. They are not YouTubers. They are people who have spoke about friend cards. But it's alright. So I got them permission to film. Don't say I never. But I won't go to any place. I just stay here. So this is their new office. Very large office space. Looks like not ergonomic desk. But yeah, looks like a head count of almost 50. Then they have telephone booths. There's no one inside. It's probably like a small meeting room. Okay. Then ceiling quite high ceiling. Then it's like panoramic view of the city like that. Then they have this Singapore Strait view which is quite nice. Yeah, sea view office. And this is the MCA Expressway. Okay, another view here. This is very nice office, very nice view. That's about it. By the way, if you don't know, Money Hero is like the head group Yeah, under Money Hero, they have like CD, SingSaver, and Creatory. CD, I'm sure you all know, is the personal finance thing. Then SingSaver is like their platforms to dish out all the deals. Then Creatory is the one handling all the creators.
We are now at the food section, and then I'm deciding what I want to pick. So let's see what we have here. Okay, so mostly finger food. Need to get my plate first. Okay, then I want to choose what I want. Okay, I see this crepe looking thing. Inside got like meatball, veggie, I think something like just take. Okay, take already. I want to choose which one I want to take next. Most likely is the scallop and prawn. This one looks quite good. Seafood is very good in nutrients, so I must take more. Okay, next one I want to take my glass of drink. No, I need to take the tissue. Okay, take the tissue there. Next one what I want to take. Okay, then I see okay, got what Got what? Then I put my plate here. I take this crystal dumpling looking like thing. I kena stuck. Then I have to take two. If not, I cannot just take one and try. Stick together. Jialat no. Now I must eat two. Okay, never mind. I just eat two. Okay, then I get this meat looking like thing. I don't even know what it is. Okay, I just take and I try. Okay, let's go and eat.
Actually, if you ask here, I really don't know anyone. I'm just here to like eat food, be like a quiet introvert, just enjoying my meal. Introvert, just hide in one corner during events. Be sure you all can relate. There we have this meatball stuff. It's probably like scallop and prawn. Last one is the crystal dumpling. They have this 360 camera that's gonna rotate. Everyone is like playing around with it. I don't really know how it works, but I'm gonna show you. So what they're going to do is that they stand around that circle, okay, and then the camera is gonna like rotate 360 degrees, and then they are going to do some actions. And yeah, it's supposed to look very cool. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. So they are supposed to spin this wheel and then you can get some price lah. I think it's like up to $100. And then there's like $10, $20 mostly. Can I spin the wheel?
Oh, yes.
Yeah, $10 only. Yeah, this is me back in my introvert corner. You know, you realize in these events, it's not awkward to take a camera and shoot yourself because everyone is like a creator here. If I just got permission to film by the HR, so don't say I unauthorized access. Yeah, HR of SingSaver.
Alright, so in any case, yeah, so this is quite elongated. I think the design is quite unique. So it's quite an elongated office space. It's actually, you can see here, from here all the way to the end. So basically we're just occupying the whole of the workstations. And okay, then on the side or on the left, then you have all the telephone booths. Telephone booths. We call it meeting pods. Okay, people can have private meetings. So usually it's between 1 to 2 people in terms of the capacity.
How many staff are we looking at?
Okay, so in the Singapore office, we have close to, I think you have around approximately 70 office seated here in Singapore. But I think, of course, regionally, aside from Singapore, we are also present in Hong Kong, Taiwan, Malaysia, and Philippines. So regionally, in total, we have close to 300 full-timers. Yeah. So all the way to the end, then as you would quite possibly guess, it's our executive office.
Okay. So that is the only one with like the secluded cubicle kind of thing.
Secluded, yes. Yeah, it's basically
your executives.
Just with a glass door. I mean, I wouldn't say secluded. Oh, it's not even open. You still can see that.
Yeah.
Essentially, I visually, so you can see then. But it's just that that there is a glass door in between.
I see.
And we're currently just doing a little bit of work. I think just to spruce up this area. But otherwise, yeah.
How long have you guys moved in here?
We've been here since I think slightly over 2 years.
So
we're here since the beginning of 2022.
Oh yeah, I remember the last time I was at the Chinatown area. Yeah. So that was the old office with Sidley.
Yes, Sidley. So I think we've evolved quite a fair bit since then. I think back then we have actually I think before 2022, actually we have 3. In fact, we have 3 offices. 3 offices. Yeah, three offices. We have Sydney. We have one. SingSaver occupies a standalone office. I see that is part of the co-working. We occupy a co-working space under the working capital and new work. And we also have some of the tech, mainly the tech engineering folks that is based in Moore Street, which is a Chinatown area. So we have, and I think with the office here, then we managed to just bring everyone together. I think just within one office.
Yeah, that's a lot of people for Singapore in terms of headcount.
Yeah, I think we definitely could. We definitely appreciate that we could get all the help that we need. I think just given the business that we have here in Singapore. Yeah.
Okay. Is the meeting room open? Like, can I take a look? Yeah, we'll take a look at the meeting room.
Okay, so it's littered with items. Probably not supposed to look like that. Minus all the high chairs stuff. But yeah, otherwise it's just one of the small meeting rooms.
Okay. You mean you have a bigger meeting room?
There is. Okay, but that's definitely a little bit out of bounds.
Okay, no problem.
See that? We have big too, but that's out of the office space.
Yeah, that's alright. Yeah, so you can see that's how SingSaver works. I'll kind of give you all the good deals, having this nice office and having the headcount to support all your whatever affiliates or referral deals that we have. So yeah, we'll look forward to more SingSaver deals. So yeah, that's a pretty interesting tour brought in by someone from SingSaver team. So right now they are waiting for the cake cutting, like wedding like that. I show you all the cake.
Hi, I'm Sean.
Yeah, it's Sean Tiao. Sean Tiao.
So witness finance stuff. I'm posting some financial insights. I'm also helping out people physical and financial health. That's my slogan now.
Yeah, I'll put the Instagram here. He's got some pretty great fitness tips. Check out his IG stories, very motivating. Thank you. Yeah, it's pretty good in finance as well. And yeah, all the best.
How do you find chocolate finance?
We just smashed the cake into the shio and another sub.
Friend me more after this, but I think I'll be more like
So they are going to smash the barrel.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Alright, so with the Audrey, your lobang sis, very new YouTuber but very established in TikTok. So Audrey, what do you do on social media?
I do content creation and talk about.
TikTok. She share the best lobang. She one of the best female content creator on credit card. First saw her on TikTok. So now she's doing a bit of YouTube. Go over and support the channel. Very intense finance discussion. Cannot share with all the details. Very deep stuff down over there. But cannot record. Cannot. It's already like.
I don't know. Okay, but because it's still so much in the chicken game, you're disqualified.
We have a weebly. Herein we and herein we. Who do you think is the older sibling? Who is the older sibling?
There's no right answer here. Don't answer wrongly, okay?
You visit their page to find out. Okay? So they do like personal finance now. Tell us what
We're siblings on a journey to $1 million.
Okay.
Share our
How about
online.
the 1 million after your research?
Alright. What's your recommended credit card? Like what do you use?
I use the I use the UVPPB card and the DBS Women's Law card.
And Aaron?
He doesn't use credit card.
You don't use credit card.
Why?
Because he's a fresh graduate, so he hasn't paid enough taxes yet.
We're not friends at all. We didn't sit around, see?
He just graduated last year.
Really?
Oh,
fair.
Okay. So there you have it, the weaving and their credit card strategy. Yeah, so that is SingSaver office tour as well. The HR brought me there. Yeah, very nice office, very nice view. At night cannot see anything one. And yeah, spoke to a few of our connections down there, like catch up, These are one of the only few moments where you can talk to other creators. We don't like meet up personally unless we are that close. But it's alright. I mean, in this space, we are usually like solo creators. We don't like hang out and make together, just like ICT. So that's the reality of a social media influencer. Like you go to this kind of event, most of the people you probably don't know, unless you are a very big size, then people come and talk to you. Like even for my size, I'm also like a solo creator, sitting down there enjoying my food like an introvert and using up my introvert energy to network. So for those of you who want to be YouTuber, influencer, this is something that you have to like take note. Okay? So see you at the next office tour. What office do you want me to visit next? Comment down below. And if your office is open for tour, then yes, please invite me because I will come and shoot your office. And if you haven't checked out my previous office tour on Hemex, then you can check that out right here.